Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. And to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable Vibrate when ringing on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. Here in settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. And okay guys, here in sounds and vibration, you can see the vibrate when ringing, and on the right side you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled Vibrate when ringing on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.